Welcome to Whytax, where we simplify tax laws to empower you. So, if you want to enjoy the deductions and exemptions of the old tax regime, don't forget to file Form 10 IEA on time, especially if you have business or professional income. Form 10 IEA is a new form introduced under Section 115 BAC 6 of the Income Tax Act 1961 for opting into the new tax regime under Section 115 BAC 1A, which became the default tax regime from financial year 2023-24 AY 2024-25 onwards. It is required when an individual or HUF wishes to opt out of the new regime and choose the old regime with slab rates and deductions. Who can file Form 10 IEA? Individuals having business or professional income and wish to opt for old regime. WFU having business income and wish to opt for old regime. If an individual or HUF has no business professional income, they don't need to file Form 10 IEA. They can choose the regime every year directly in the ITR form. When is Form 10 IEA required to be filed? A person with business profession income wants to opt out of the new default tax regime and go back to the old regime. Once opted out, this choice remains binding for future years unless withdrawn permanently. Only once allowed. Due date for filing Form 10 IEA. Individual HUF with business income on or before the due date of ITR filing, US 139-1. I for FY 2024-25, AY 2025-26. The due date is 15th September 2025 for non-audit cases and 31st October 2025 for audit cases. Documents required to file Form 10 IEA. Although no physical documents are to be attached/uploaded, the following details are needed: PAN of the assessee, assessment year, nature of income, business profession. Purpose of filing Form 10 IEA. To opt out of the default new tax regime under Section 115 BAC 1A. To choose the old tax regime and claim deductions such as Section 80C, 80D, etc. HRA LTA. Interest on housing loan under Section 24. B. How to file Form 10 IEA step-by-step process. Step 1. Go to https://www.incometax.gov.in. Step 2. Log in with PAN and password. Step 3. Navigate to E-File Income Tax Forms. File Income Tax Forms. Step 4. Search for Form 10 IEA and click File Now. Step 5. Select the relevant assessment year, e.g. AY 2025-26. Step 6. Fill in required details, nature of income, AY, PAN, etc. Step 7. Verify the form using DSC or EVC, Aadhaar OTP. Step 8. Submit the form and download the acknowledgement. Key notes. Form 10 IEA is applicable from AY 2024-25 onwards. The taxpayer can withdraw this option only once in lifetime. If the form is not filed within due date, you will be taxed under default new regime. The new regime disallows most exemptions but offers lower tax rates. Don't miss the deadline, or you'll be taxed under the new regime by default. Have questions about tax filing, ITR forms, or deductions? Subscribe to Whytax and stay updated with every major change in Indian tax laws. Got queries? Drop them in the comments.